Ever needed to escape the city and just don't know where to turn? And this is a part of Cape Town, Silvermine, the nature reserve, and a beautiful place to just go for a walk, take the dog, go for a bicycle ride, but don't do it in a hurry. It's all a complete pleasure along here. Whether it's rain or shine, it does not matter. It's simply an amazing place just to walk around and relax and quiet, and just the sound of birds and the wind, because really this is what it's about, to go and relax in Cape Town, to get away from the suburbia and the city. And we're following the route down on the Silvermine River. There's a lovely footpath. It's well maintained, which is a proud thing in Cape Town. The footpaths along Table Mountain are definitely well maintained and a safe public place to walk. And there are the sand dunes. We call them fishhook sand dunes, but a beautiful place to go sandboard in if you have the sandboard. A little bit of wax and floor polish will help. On the left there, just over the kopje there, is Piers Cave, where they discovered a lot of Khoisan rock art, stone tools, and it was allegedly an ancient burial site. Discovered, of course, in 1927 by Mr. Piers himself, and excavated by himself and his son for a number of years. I remember back in late 1987 when I was building this footpath, or reopening it and hacking through the Port Jackson. There was right about here a large Port Jackson tree, and I was chopping it down, looked up in the heat of the sun. It was about 40 degrees, and there were two green snakes above me. Yes, those were boomslangs. Fortunately, not too threatening, because they're backbiters and they really have to wrap themselves around you to kill you, but or inflict any harm. This over here is the Sunbird Awareness Center, a lovely destination for tourists. Obviously, you have a look around here, you can see how this would be very tempting for birds to come. That's why we come and watch them. But also it's a launch pad for your hiking trail to Fishhook or Silvermine Dam up above in the mountain, or just a walk along the river here, all accessible through the sand parks. But there will be many more details below in the discussion of how to get there and what to expect. It's a quieter, less touristy corner of Silvermine. Good if you want the fynbos and bird life without the day-to-day crowds. The place is named after the Cape sunbird, and if you look very carefully, you will see this red-crested green bird, similar to the Cape malachite, but you will see them around there. You will notice as you're swimming in the river water there that the color is sort of a brown, goldy brown color. That's not pollution, that's just the tannins in the water. Silvermine Nature Reserve Municipality, based on Okarpseweg on the Tokai side, seem to have taken their responsibility of maintaining the alien vegetation in a good way. So I'm looking at that and I'm thinking, yep, it's a whole lot better than it was in the 80s. Remember that alien control program that they introduced around about 1986. There won't be enough time in this short video to describe all the actions that they took to control the alien, but for those who are interested and would like to know more, I have recorded quite a lot of information down in the description below. You're free to go down there and have a look. Of course, I always appreciate other audience participation. If anyone has any insights and would like to share with us, we'd appreciate that too. Thank you very much for watching.